Hey, Fantastic Attractions here. We recently stayed in a garden wing room at the Contemporary Resort and just wanted to share a room tour with you. It has been a while since we've stayed here at the Contemporary, and since then they have, remodeled the rooms to the Incredibles. We really did like the theming, the new theming here. Definitely an upgrade to what was here before. Plenty of space, you can see drawer space. We really didn't need it this trip. This was just an overnight stay for us, something convenient to the Magic Kingdom because we were going to be at the park late. And there's your safe and some more storage space. And you do have a full-length mirror there. And here is your coffee maker that takes like the pods. And your drawer with some coffee, and then you have a refrigerator. And just some space there, counter space. And then we have a bathroom, a nice bathroom. So you have a vanity with your shower. And you do have some storage space underneath that vanity, and then off to the side you have your toilet room, which is separate. And then here's the retheming for the rest of the room, the beds. And you can see there is carpet. I was kind of disappointed with that because I enjoy the hard floors now. But it seems like there is more space for more areas for charging than what there used to be. But cute details down inside the drawer. And then just showing you there's space for luggage under the bed and other items. Very modern, very, I guess, sleek and more contemporary furnishings there. Here's another look at that pretty large size TV on the wall. And just showing you, you've got on the side of the bed, you've got charging, a little table, and a light. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe. Here's another video you might like.